Hey guys, KIRKSHINTA Turnipseed here, going for a walk today. I love that, I can be inspired and take time for myself when I feel like I need it and get inspired. But anyways, what I do is I help people start sustainable businesses from home, start sustainable digital businesses from home, and that's what I help people do. Hey Brandy, thanks for hopping on. So in this video today, what I wanted to talk about is the difference between making money, mainly in the online space, and starting a digital business and business moves. Because to me, there's a difference. When you decide that you want to make money online, for a lot of people, there's a desperation in that. They're like, I gotta make money for this temporary patch. Hold on one second. I gotta make money for this temporary patch or whatever is going on in my life. I don't have enough cash flow, whatever is going on. Okay, so immediately they want to make money online, and that might be a one-up decision. So they made money, right? Ooh, I made money this week, great. Then what? Well, to me, there's a very different mindset between making money online and having a digital business. Because when you have a digital business, your mindset is different. The moves that you make are different when you decide you want to build a digital business. When you decide you're going to make a digital business, you position yourself to have, hey Arturo, you position yourself, I'm out of breath, y'all, I just climbed like a whole bunch of flights of stairs. You position yourself differently when you make a decision you're going to start a business, not make money. Because yeah, you're going to make money in your business, but it's a business first, okay? And it's very different. So one, when you decide you're going to start a business, you're going to position your business to make the most money. All right? You're going to position your business to make the most money, okay? That's part of the formula of the $500 days. If you don't have products, which is your digital store, right? You don't have products that you can make whatever income you want, right? Business decisions. When you decide you're gonna be a business versus make money online, your business is going to have office hours. When you decide that you're going to be a business, right, you're going to make sure that you follow up with people who reach out to your business. It's a very different mindset. When you decide that you're going to have a business that's sustainable for the long haul and not just make money, because see, making money ain't long, that's not long term. When you say, I'm going to go make money online, you might make money one week, the next week you don't make no money. But when you decide that you're going to have a business, it's very different. When you decide you're going to have a business, you say to yourself, you know what? For my business, I might have to invest in some training. I might have to invest in some coaching because I want my business, right? It's beautiful over here. I want my business to thrive. So business mindset is very long term, whereas making money online is like, right now, I need to do this to solve this short-term patch, right? And also, the other thing that I see with people when they say they want to make money online versus I want to build a sustainable digital business is the first opportunity, the first problem that they have in their business. Some technology don't work, they didn't have the income that they expected for that week or whatever. Things happen. They don't bounce back and find solutions to fix their business. They give up. They're like, oh, well, I give up. My marketing didn't work. My platform didn't work. I didn't work. They give up. So it's a difference in mindset, right? Whereas when you have a business, you're like, you know what? I got to fix this, whatever it is. Let me ask some questions. Let me brainstorm. Let me get creative because my business cannot fail because this is my business. All right, so difference in mindset, and that's all I wanted to say. I just really just wanted to make a quick video to just explain the difference. And I hope everybody understands that the end goal is always to start a sustainable, long-term, profitable, money-making business and not just make money online. All right, so I am all about helping people create sustainable digital businesses online and create high dollar days, not chump change days, because I did that for a long time in the online space and that got old. Right? Get money where you feel that you're worth and you're worthy of, because you deserve it. Right? You deserve it. And it's not hard to do when you have a process, and that's what I help teach other digital entrepreneurs. So if you want to learn more about how I create high dollar days and $500 days, then what I want you to do is, if you're watching this on Facebook, I want you to make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this with somebody who needs it, and hop in my inbox. If you're watching this in YouTube land, I want you to make sure you do the same thing: like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure that you check out the comment section, because there'll be some information about what I use and how I position myself for high dollar days. All right, I will see you in the next live. Bye, guys.